He's a dense boy, but we love it. Moon Pal cost $70.
Yikes.
But I think he's worth it.
All right, today Goalie's product investigating team is back with Moon Pals.
Investigation.
Let's unbox. How the f did you open this box?
Get British.
Super cute. What is this? Oh my goodness. I think he's got a little comic book story. We'll get to that in a second.
Ooh. Ooh. All right, he's pretty heavy.
Here he is. All right, let's tear it apart. Feels like Christmas already.
Yes.
I'm obsessed already. He's got huge ears, huge arms. Oh my gosh, and little legs. Absolutely adorable. And they come in a bunch of different colors. So he is a Moon Pal. We just decided on his gender.
He's ventured all the way from the moon just to come here and give everybody hugs.
Hi.
So this is our guy's story about him and all of his little friends, and they're here to fight off evil and save the world. Ooh, it feels nice. Very cute, very classy. This comic book is for his mother, whose hugs showed me just how perfect love can be in this world.
Aww, look up at the moon. See how brightly she shines in the night. Legend says that her light is not just any light, it holds magical, mystical powers.
So I guess this is his mother, the moon.
Do we have a name for this character?
No, we should give him one.
Steven.
Steven, I love it.
Hey, do you find yourself nagging your kids a lot, especially during bedtime or in the mornings, and they need a little help getting organized? You know, breaking things out step by step with visuals and some audio guides. Take a look at Goalie. It's like this, pretty sturdy, comes in a device, or you can use your own tablet, and it walks your kids through everything they need step by step. No more nagging, it's all easy. Check it out at getgoalie.com. That's getgoalie.com.